Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. We have an unboxing today and it's a box of Goth. I paid for this myself. It's not PR. I am friendly with the owners of Box of Goth, so she does occasionally send me free boxes. This is one I paid for myself and I'm very excited. I can't remember what one I ordered. You can do like, she does different ones. You can do like subscription boxes where you get it every month, or you can do like one-off random boxes. And I can't remember for the life of me which one I ordered, because I've had this for about a week, but I'm in the process of moving house. So life is absolutely insane at the moment. So we're gonna see what's in it, because I can't remember at all. Oh, so we've got a little, are you a sticker or a print? I can't work out if this is a sticker. It feels like a sticker, but it might be a print. I think it's a print because I can't peel it. This is how much of a shit YouTuber I am. We've got a little print. It looks like this. We've got, oh, you're pretty. We've got a pen. It's got a little doodly bug thing on the end. I can see some Halloween socks. I'm so bad. I don't ever wear socks. I'm like, unless I'm wearing like boots and tights, I just don't ever wear socks. But all the socks that I do own are Halloween ones that I have got from Box of Goth or similar boxes. So I'm very happy with those. And I got a pumpkin. Got a little purple pumpkin. Should be cute. We've got something in bubble wrap here. Not bubble wrap, you know, the environmentally friendly bubble wrap. Let's, I have got a bin bag there for once. I'm not just throwing things. Ooh. Oh my God. That is amazing. It's a skull and he's got a kitty sat on his head. Oh, one of the girls is going to steal this. One of my kids is going to try and steal that. But that is awesome. Oh, I love it. I'm actually going to wrap it back up again, because I am going to put this box all back together again, and then it can move and everything can be safe. And I can unpack it at the new house. We have another little wrapped up one. What are you? Oh, it looks like some aventurine. Are you aventurine? Oh, it's a necklace. There's usually like a little thing in it that tells you what it is, but I haven't got to that yet. But that, I'm pretty sure that is green aventurine in a necklace. Every single piece of jewellery that I own, other than this and my earrings, is basically from Box of Goth. I have an obscene amount that I have collected over the years. We've got some tea, Bird and Blend tea, Spreading Happiness, Reimagining tea. Pumpkin spice tea. Oh my God. I'm going to have one of those in a minute. Ooh. You've got a little one, a Halloween one. I've got so many of these, all different kinds, like quite a lot of Christmas ones. But he's super cute. I'm going to go and get Halloween nails done at some point this week. Oh, we've got a little bracelet. A chakra stone bracelet with all different crystal chips on it. Again, I'm gonna have to hide these because the kids are gonna want to steal them all. What are you? Oh, it's a keep cup. Oh, it's like a travel mug. That's beautiful. Oh, and it's got, let me take the little thing off it so you can see it. The future is in your hands. That's so pretty, and it's a really nice size as well. Some of them are tiny. And then it's got the thing on it so you don't burn your hands, because bamboo, just so you know, does get very hot. Anything that's like this kind of material. I got plates. Oh, they're here. I've actually got one here. I've got these plates and they're made of like wheat. I don't really know how, but if you microwave them, they are hotter than the sun. Same as I've got bowls that are like bamboo bowls, and if you microwave them, the contents inside is warm, but the actual outside is roasting. So you definitely need one of these little not burning hand things. Oh my God, I thought this was a dick. There's a pen. I was like, I just looked at it and I was like, is that a ball? I thought it was a dick. It's not, it's a pumpkin. What is wrong with me? Come on. That's super cute. Again, the kids are just going to steal all of this. Oh, I've got a candle holder, a spell candle holder. A little kitty one. I've got one of these that's a bat as well. I might have even got a different, I think I've got a white one of these that's a cat as well. So you can put your spell candles in them. I've got a sign. Is this a Sinister Signs one? No, it's not Sinister Signs. It looks like one of Get off. It looks like one of Maddie's ones. Spooky season sign. It's always spooky season in my house. Every single day of the year. Have you seen the little, there's a meme, or like a little TikTok going around. There's a little girl and someone says to her about Halloween and she's like, it's always Halloween in my soul. And I felt that. The last thing we've got is a teeny weeny one. What are you? Oh, it's another necklace. Look. And it's got a little coffin on it. I love it. That is so cute. That's every single box that I've ever bought. I love. Like, I can't recommend them enough. Especially like if you've got someone that likes like all spooky stuff, just buy one as a one-off for a present. Like, they're always so good. I'm a happy panda now. I am gonna pack it all away, and then at the new house I will take things out and decorate and show you as I go. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I love you. Bye.